Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? In an era where digital platforms are creating limitless opportunities, one standout is Appen. This platform has been making waves in the freelancing community, offering a wide array of online jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home. From data collection to linguistic specialties, Appen has a place for everyone. So, if you've been considering dipping your toes into the freelancing world, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore how you can start earning money on Appen. So, what exactly is Appen? A great question to start with. Appen is an online platform that connects businesses across the globe with freelancers. It's a bridge where companies looking for human intelligence to train their artificial intelligence can meet freelancers who are ready to provide that intelligence. Appen offers a diverse range of jobs, from transcription services where you listen to audio files and type out what you hear, to search engine evaluation where you analyze and rate search results. There are also jobs in the realm of social media evaluation, linguistics, and much more. It's a platform that offers flexibility. You can work from anywhere at any time and choose tasks that align with your skills and interests. With Appen, you're not just earning money online, you're part of a global community that's shaping the future of technology. Now that we know what Appen is, let's delve into how you can start earning money on it. Step 1 to earning on Appen is creating an account. Now let's get down to business and walk you through the process. First things first, you'll need to head over to Appen's website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the registration page. Here you'll be asked to provide some basic personal information. This includes your full name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Remember, this password is your key to accessing all the opportunities Appen has to offer, so make sure it's something you won't forget. But, just in case, it's a good idea to write it down somewhere safe. After filling out these fields, you'll need to agree to Appen's terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through these, as they outline important details about how Appen operates and how your information will be used and protected. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your email address. This is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account. An email will be sent to the address you provided during registration. Simply open the email and click on the verification link. This will confirm that the email address belongs to you. Now that you've verified your email, you're almost there. The next step is to complete your profile. This is where you give Appen a snapshot of your skills and experience. Be sure to include any languages you speak, your field of expertise, and any relevant work history. This information will help Appen match you with suitable projects. And that's it. You've successfully created your Appen account. It's free to sign up and the entire process should take no more than 10 minutes. Now, you're part of a global community of freelancers, ready to take on tasks and projects that match your skills and interests. Once you've set up your account, you're ready to start finding jobs. So let's move on to the next step, where we'll guide you through exploring and applying for jobs on Appen. Remember, the world of online freelancing is at your fingertips, and you've just taken the first step towards tapping into it. With your account ready, you can now start finding jobs on Appen. This is where the fun begins. Appen offers a multitude of job opportunities, each one as unique and diverse as the next. Whether you're a linguistics expert, a data analyst, or a social media enthusiast, Appen has something for you. To begin your search, head over to the Jobs tab. You'll be greeted by an array of job categories, but don't be overwhelmed. Remember, the key is to know what you're looking for, and Appen's user-friendly platform makes it easy to filter through these categories. You can narrow down your search by selecting job categories that match your skill set. If you're into linguistics, you could opt for language jobs. If data analysis is your forte, then data collection jobs might be your calling. For those who spend hours scrolling through social media feeds, social media evaluation jobs could be a great fit. Now you might be wondering, what if I'm skilled in more than one area? Well, that's the beauty of Appen. You can apply for as many jobs as you want as long as they align with your skills and interests. In addition to job categories, you can also filter jobs by project type. For instance, if you prefer working on long-term projects, you can select ongoing projects. On the other hand, if you're more of a short-term task enthusiast, you can opt for micro-tasks. Remember, the goal is not just to find a job, but to find a job that suits you. So take your time, explore the options, and don't rush the process. And there's more. Appen also allows you to filter jobs based on the estimated hours per week. This way, you can manage your time efficiently and balance your work with other commitments. In the end, Finding a job on Appen is all about knowing your skills, understanding your preferences, and making the most of the platform's features. After finding a job that suits you, it's time to apply. Applying for jobs on Appen is quite straightforward. So, you've created your account and you found a job that piques your interest. What's next? It's time to apply. The application process on Appen is designed to be user-friendly, but there are a few key points to keep in mind to ensure your application stands out from the crowd. Start by clicking on the Apply button on the job listing. This will take you to the job application page where you'll be required to fill out some information. Make sure to read the job description carefully before you start. This will give you an idea of what the job entails and what the hiring team is looking for. Next, you'll be asked to fill out your personal information. This includes your name, contact details, and location. Also, you may need to specify your language proficiency, as many jobs on Appen require a certain level of fluency in specific languages. Be honest and accurate with this information, as it will be crucial in the job matching process. Then you'll need to upload your resume. This is where you can really shine. Highlight your relevant skills and experiences. Tailor your resume to the job you're applying for. If the job is about data annotation, emphasize your attention to detail and your experience in similar roles. If it's a linguistic job, highlight your language skills and any related experience you might have. After that, you might be asked to write a short cover letter. This is your chance to sell yourself. Explain why you're the best fit for the job. Talk about your passion for the work, your willingness to learn, and your adaptability. Remember, the hiring team doesn't just want to know what you can do, they want to know who you are. Lastly, review your application. Make sure everything is correct and well presented. Once you're satisfied, hit the Submit button. And there you have it. You've successfully applied for a job on Appen. Once you've applied, all you have to do is wait for a response. But don't just sit around. Keep exploring other opportunities on the platform. The more jobs you apply for, the higher your chances of landing one. Happy job hunting! After getting accepted for a job, it's time to start working and earning. So how exactly does this happen on Appen? Well, once you've landed a job, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll be given a set of tasks to complete. These tasks could range from transcribing audio files to classifying images, and the complexity can vary from job to job. But don't worry, Appen ensures that you're well equipped to handle the tasks at hand by providing detailed instructions and guidelines. So, whether you're a seasoned freelancer or a newbie, you'll find the work process on Appen to be intuitive and user-friendly. Now let's talk about submitting work. Once you've completed a task, you submit it directly on the platform. It's as simple as clicking a button, but remember, quality is key. Appen maintains a high standard for all work submitted, so be sure to double-check your work before hitting that submit button. Alright, you've done the work, submitted it, and now you're probably wondering, when do I get paid? Well, the good news is, Appen has a systematic and reliable payment process. Payments are made once a month, typically around the middle of the month. The exact date may vary, but you can always check the payment schedule in your Appen account. Now, how much you earn depends on the tasks you complete. Some tasks are priced higher than others depending on their complexity and the time required to complete them. But rest assured, Appen ensures fair payment for all tasks. It's all about the effort you put in. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. To receive your earnings, you need to set up a payment method. Appen supports various payment methods including direct bank transfer and PayPal. Choose the one that suits you best and you're all set. And that's how you can earn money on Appen. Remember, it's not just about the earning, it's also about the learning. Every job you take up on Appen is a chance to learn something new and hone your skills. So, dive in, start working, and watch your earnings grow. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Appen is a platform where you can earn money online. The process begins with creating an account, followed by finding and applying for jobs that suit your skill set. As you work on these tasks, you'll start earning. Remember, consistency and quality of work are key to increasing your earnings. With these steps, you are now ready to start your journey on Appen and earn money online. Good luck.